In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a title page on Google Docs. If you're writing a school paper, a report, or any document that needs a clean, professional first page, a dedicated title page is the easiest way to start. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can set it up in under a minute. First, open your document and place your cursor at the very beginning of your content. You want the cursor before the current title or the very first character at the top of the page. This matters because the next action will insert a new page right where your cursor sits. If you don't have anything typed yet, just click at the top left corner so the cursor is at the start. Next, go to the menu bar and choose Insert, then Break, and select Page Break. Instantly, Google Docs creates a new blank page and pushes all your existing content down to the next page. That blank page is now your title page. If the break appeared in the wrong spot, simply undo and try again after making sure the cursor is truly at the top. Now let's build your title page. Click on that new blank page and type your main title. Keep it short, clear, and descriptive. Many people prefer to center it, which you can do using the Center Align button on the toolbar. Then add any supporting details you need beneath the title, such as a subtitle, your name, the date, a course or project name, or an organization. Space these elements out with a line or two between them so the page breathes. For a polished look, consider increasing the font size of the main title and using a readable professional typeface. Keep contrast strong by sticking with dark text on a light background. If you want everything vertically centered, tap Enter a few times before typing the title so the block sits around the middle of the page. Keep formatting consistent and restrained. Simple usually looks the most professional. If you're following specific guidelines like a school or workplace template, match their requirements for order, capitalization, and spacing. Otherwise, a centered title, your name, and the date are usually enough. The default 1-inch margins in Google Docs work well for most uses. And that's it. You placed your cursor at the top, inserted a page break to create space, and built a clean title page without altering the rest of your document. Your content now starts neatly on page 2, and your document has a professional introduction. Save your work, and you're good to go.